That was fast. Got it here pretty cool, like a small job clippers over here for the branches like that. Especially when you need to cut them on the floor. This is much bigger stuff right here. It feels so good. Obviously the smaller stuff will cut up even easier. Probably want to do it this way so I can let it go. Nice, look at that, not bad. This is such a good trimmer. Somehow let it go. So good. Look at that. Now throw it in a pile. My favorite thing about it, I don't have to worry about hitting the ground. Look at that. No problem. That was fast. You see? Got stuck a little bit because we wanted actually to be resting, not pinching it. So that's awesome. And stuff on the ground, no problem. Easy.